Ever found yourself pondering why people have different blood types? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? You see, everyone indeed has a unique blood type, and these differences are of vital importance. Knowing your blood type can be a matter of life and death, especially in emergencies. It can also influence your health in surprising ways. It's an intriguing world inside our veins, a world that's as unique as our fingerprints. So are you intrigued to uncover the mystery behind our differing blood types? Let's dive in. To comprehend the reason for varied blood types, we need to visit our cells, specifically the red blood cells. Now imagine our red blood cells as tiny floating balloons in our bloodstream. On the surface of these microscopic balloons, there are certain proteins called antigens. These antigens are like little flags that tell our immune system, "Hey, I'm one of you, don't attack me." There are two main types of these antigens, creatively named A and B. So when our red blood cells have A antigens on them, we say the blood type is A. Similarly, if they have B antigens, the blood type is B. Some of us have both A and B antigens, and as you might guess, this blood type is AB. But what if our red blood cells don't have any antigens at all? Well, in that case, the blood type is O. It's like our cells are flying under the radar, without any flags to identify them. So you might be wondering, why do we even have these different blood types? Well, it's all about our immune system. Our bodies are hardwired to recognize and attack anything foreign, including different blood types. If you have type A blood and receive type B blood, your immune system will see those B antigens as invaders and launch an attack. This is why it's so crucial to match blood types for transfusions. It's fascinating, isn't it? We're all humans, yet our bodies are coded in such unique ways. That's why, even though we all bleed red, the story of our blood is written in A's, B's, and O's. And let's not forget the Rh factor, an additional antigen that can be present or absent, making your blood type either positive or negative. But that's a topic for another day. So it's these antigens that are the key players in our blood type story. But wait, how do these antigens get on our red blood cells in the first place? Well, it all comes down to the magic of genetics. You see, each of us inherits two ABO genes, one from each parent. These genes are essentially the blueprint for our blood type. They decide whether our red blood cells will carry A antigens, B antigens, both, or neither. Let's break it down. Suppose one parent gives you an A gene and the other parent gives you a B gene. In this case, you'll have AB blood type. If one parent gives you an A gene and the other parent gives you an O gene, you'll have type A blood. The same logic applies to type B blood. And if both parents pass you an O gene, then you'll have type O blood. It's a bit like mixing paint. Depending on the combination of colors you inherit from your parents, you'll end up with a unique shade. But instead of creating a one-of-a-kind hue, you're getting a one-of-a-kind blood type. It's also worth noting that while the ABO system is the most well-known, it's not the only one. There are numerous other blood group systems, each with its own set of antigens, adding another layer of complexity to our genetic inheritance. So your blood type is actually a genetic gift from your parents. Now that we know the why behind different blood types, let's consider the so what. It's crucial to know your blood type for medical situations like blood transfusions and organ transplants. Say you need a blood transfusion, only certain blood types would be compatible. Also, some blood types are universal donors or recipients, which can be life-saving in emergencies. Therefore, your blood type isn't just a letter and a plus or minus sign. It's a vital piece of your health puzzle. So, understanding your blood type can quite literally be a matter of life and death. In the journey of blood types, we've traveled from our cells to our genes and understood why we all carry different types within us. We've delved into the science behind blood types and the role genetics play in this fascinating process. We've also explored why these differences matter in the grand scheme of things. Stay curious, keep asking questions, and remember, the answers are often in our own veins. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel for more intriguing explorations into the wonders of our bodies.